What's your favorite Kapampangan dish? Ako marami, kaya naman I'm very happy to experience the Pampanga Food Festival here at Cafe Ilang Ilang. From May 16 to 31, they will showcase many Kapampangan delicacies like bringhe, asado, sipo egg, adobong balot, authentic Kapampangan sisig, and many others. Here is my first plate. Grabe, ang sarap lahat! For the dessert naman, they have tibok-tibok, kalame duman, polvoron, cashew masapan, turones de casoy, and leche flan. Nakatuwa kasi edible yung wrapper ng turones de casoy. While the Kapampangan dishes are the star of the show, syempre, Cafe Ilang Ilang Signature Buffet remains available for you to enjoy. I've been food blogging for 19 years now and first time ko dito sa Cafe Ilang Ilang, and I must say that I really enjoyed my experience here and I'm hoping to be back soon. Bye! Follow for more!